Change your life in 30 seconds, the gratitude technique. Life is often a whirlwind of responsibilities, challenges, and ambitions. In the midst of this chaos, it's easy to lose sight of the small but significant things that bring meaning and joy to our lives. That's where the gratitude technique comes in, a powerful yet simple practice that can transform your mindset, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being in just 30 seconds. Gratitude is more than saying thank you. It's an intentional focus on the positive aspects of life, no matter how small they may seem. By practicing gratitude daily, you can shift your perspective, boost emotional resilience, and unlock a more fulfilling and optimistic outlook on life. In this guide, we'll explore how the gratitude technique works, why it's so effective, and how you can integrate it into your daily routine to change your life in just 30 seconds. The power of gratitude has been studied extensively in psychology and neuroscience, revealing profound effects on mental and emotional health. Here's why it's such a transformative practice. 1. Rewires your brain. Expressing gratitude activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and serotonin neurotransmitters that improve mood and foster a sense of well-being. Science behind it: studies show that consistent gratitude practices strengthen neural pathways associated with positive emotion, making it easier to focus on the good in life. 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. Gratitude shifts your focus from worries and negative thoughts to things you appreciate, creating a calming effect on the mind. Example: instead of stressing about a long to-do list, expressing gratitude for having opportunities to work reframes your perspective. 3. Improves relationships. In appreciating others strengthens connections and fosters goodwill. Example: a simple "I'm grateful for your help" can deepen trust and improve interactions with friends, family, and co-workers. 4. Enhances emotional resilience. In difficult times, gratitude helps you find meaning and maintain hope, even in the face of adversity. Example: being thankful for supportive relationships or small victories can sustain you through challenges. What is the gratitude technique? The gratitude technique is a focused, 30-second practice of identifying and reflecting on specific things you're thankful for. It's quick, accessible, and doesn't require any special tools or environments. How it works: 1. Pause. Take 30 seconds out of your day to focus on gratitude. 2. Identify. Think of 1 to 3 things you're grateful for. These could be people, experiences, or even small joys like a warm cup of coffee. 3. Feel it. Reflect on why these things matter to you and how they enhance your life. 4. Express it. Write them down, say them aloud, or share them with someone. Why 30 seconds is in our busy lives, time is a precious commodity. The beauty of the gratitude technique is that it fits seamlessly into any schedule. Here's why 30 seconds is all it takes. 1. Triggers immediate positivity. Just a few seconds of focused gratitude can instantly shift your mindset and brighten your mood. 2. Builds momentum. A small, consistent practice has a compounding effect over time, making gratitude a natural habit. 3. Prevents overwhelm. Manageable practices are easier to stick with, ensuring consistency without feeling like a chore. How to practice the gratitude technique. 1. Start your day with gratitude. Begin your morning by reflecting on things you're thankful for. This sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Example: I'm grateful for a good night's sleep, the sunshine outside, and the opportunity to work on meaningful projects today. 2. Use triggers to remind yourself. Incorporate gratitude into existing routines by using triggers like brushing your teeth, checking your phone, or waiting in line. Example: while waiting for your coffee to brew, think of 1 thing you're grateful for. 3. End your day with gratitude or reflect on the positive moments of your day before going to bed. This practice helps you sleep better and wake up in a good mood. Example: I'm grateful for the kind words from a colleague, the delicious lunch I had, and the relaxing evening with my family. 4. Express gratitude to others. Take 30 seconds to send a quick text or say thank you to someone who has positively impacted your life. Example: I just wanted to say I really appreciate your support during our project. It made a big difference. Tips for enhancing your gratitude practice. 1. Be specific. The more detailed your gratitude, the more impactful it will be. Instead of saying I'm grateful for my job, say I'm grateful for the supportive team I work with. 2. Focus on small things. Gratitude doesn't have to be about big milestones. Simple joys like a beautiful sunset or a friendly smile can be just as meaningful. 3. Write it down. Keeping a gratitude journal reinforces the habit and allows you to reflect on positive moments over time. Tip: use a notebook, digital app, or even sticky notes to jot down your thoughts. 4. Practice gratitude during challenges. When facing difficulties, look for silver linings or lessons learned to maintain a positive perspective. Example, this tough situation taught me resilience and helped me grow stronger. The long-term benefits of gratitude. 1. Increased happiness. Gratitude is strongly linked to higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. It trains your brain to focus on what's good rather than what's lacking. 2. Better physical health. Studies show that people who practice gratitude regularly experience fewer aches, improved immune function, and better sleep. 3. Stronger relationships. Experience gratitude deepens connections and fosters a positive environment in both personal and professional settings. 4. Greater emotional resilience. Grateful individuals are better equipped to handle stress, setbacks, and emotional challenges. Overcoming common challenges. 1. Forgetting to practice. Set reminders or pair your gratitude practice with existing habits to ensure consistency. 2. Feeling insincere. Gratitude feels forced. Focus on small, genuine moments of joy rather than trying to manufacture feelings. 3. Negativity. Our brains are wired to focus on problems, making it harder to notice positive moments. Combat this by actively seeking out things to be grateful for each day. Examples of the gratitude technique in action. 1. In the morning while sipping your morning coffee, think, I'm grateful for this quiet moment, the aroma of my coffee, and the energy it gives me to start the day. 2. During a stressful day in the middle of a hectic workday, pause and think, I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn from challenges and the support of my team. 3. At the end of the day before bed, reflect, I'm grateful for the kind gesture from a stranger, the laughter I shared with a friend, and the progress I made today. Gratitude success stories. 1. A busy professional, a marketing executive, found himself overwhelmed by deadlines and stress. By practicing the gratitude technique for 30 seconds daily, he shifted his focus from pressure to appreciation for his supportive team and fulfilling career. Over time, his stress decreased and his productivity improved. 2. A student facing Kalangesima, a college student, struggled with self-doubt and anxiety. By incorporating gratitude into her routine, she learned to appreciate her progress, encouraging professors, and small victories. This practice helped her build confidence and resilience. Key takeaways. 1. Gratitude is a powerful tool. It rewires your brain, reduces stress, and improves relationships. 2. The gratitude technique is simple. Spend 30 seconds identifying, feeling, and expressing gratitude daily. 3. Consistency is key. Small, frequent practices create long-lasting changes in mindset and well-being. 4. Gratitude works anytime, anywhere, morning, evening, or during a busy day. It fits into any schedule. 5. Focus on the small things. Everyday moments can have a profound impact when appreciated. Conclusion. The gratitude technique is a life-changing practice that takes just 30 seconds a day. By pausing to focus on what you're thankful for, you can shift your mindset, enhance your relationships, and improve your overall quality of life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as this simple habit transforms the way you see the world. Remember, gratitude is always within reach. It's up to you to embrace it.